type of plant in the garden can change your memory, blood pressure, and even your lifespan. But most people have no idea. Can you believe it? There is a plant that grows right in your garden. Fragrant, easy to find, easy to grow. And yet it has been used for thousands of years as a precious medicine. That plant is rosemary. The ancient Romans burned rosemary leaves in rituals to purify the air. The Greeks wore rosemary wreaths during exams to enhance memory and focus. But the shocking thing is that even today, many people still see rosemary as just a kitchen spice, without knowing that it hides dozens of benefits that can transform your health. Just crush a few sprigs of rosemary and inhale deeply, and you will feel a strong fragrance spreading, stimulating the senses and bringing instant clarity. And it does not stop there. Modern studies have proven that this small plant can support blood circulation, improve memory, reduce inflammation, boost immunity, and even protect the liver. Yet it is unfortunate that so many people with chronic diseases who take daily medications have no idea that a natural, safe solution is right within their reach. Rosemary can be used in many forms: brewed into tea, used as a spice, extracted as essential oil, or even in cosmetics for skin and hair care. But whichever way you choose, the important thing is to first know about it. And that is why I want to share with you this special video series to unlock the treasure of health, starting from the smallest things around us. If you find this topic useful and do not want to miss other natural health secrets, hit follow now. Because in the next video, I will reveal surprising benefits of rosemary that you may have never heard of. Once we recognize rosemary as a natural treasure, the first thing to mention is its miraculous effect on the circulatory system. In our body, blood vessels are like roads carrying oxygen and nutrients to every cell. But when those roads narrow, blood circulation becomes difficult. Blood pressure rises. And the risk of cardiovascular disease and stroke lurks at any moment. Studies show that rosemary has the ability to naturally dilate blood vessels, thereby helping blood flow more easily, reducing pressure in the vessel walls, and balancing blood pressure. This is not just a minor benefit, but truly an important factor in reducing the risk of dangerous events such as heart attacks or stroke. Beyond lowering blood pressure, rosemary also improves microcirculation, meaning blood flow in the tiny capillaries that nourish tissues and organs. This means more oxygen and nutrients are delivered, while metabolic waste is removed faster, protecting tissues and keeping them healthier over time, especially thanks to its abundance of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Rosemary helps reduce the risk of blood clot formation, which is a culprit of sudden blood blockages. Just imagine, with a cup of rosemary tea each day, you may be silently giving your body a protective shield against silent killers. This is why rosemary, once just a common spice, has been elevated to a precious medicine in many traditional healing systems and is now confirmed by modern science. And in the next video, I will show you how rosemary not only protects the heart but also supports the stomach, aids digestion, and eases discomfort after meals. Don't forget to follow so you won't miss this important part. If circulation is the foundation that nourishes the body, then digestion is the gateway for nutrients to be absorbed and used. And rosemary has long been seen as a trusted friend of the digestive system. When your stomach feels bloated or uncomfortable after a meal, a warm cup of rosemary tea can soothe thanks to its antispasmodic properties that relax smooth muscles in the intestines, quickly reducing bloating and cramping. Not only that, rosemary stimulates the gallbladder to release more bile, aiding fat breakdown, making heavy meals easier on the stomach. Interestingly, modern research has confirmed these folk experiences by showing that rosemary benefits those with irritable bowel syndrome or colitis. two conditions that cause long-term suffering. The combination of anti-inflammatory, antioxidant and gut microbiome balancing properties makes rosemary a natural choice for long-term digestive health. This means you are not only reducing immediate symptoms but also creating conditions for a healthier, less inflamed, and more efficient digestive system. In the next part, I will reveal another surprising benefit: rosemary's power to nurture the brain, memory, and mood. Something even the ancient Greeks knew about over 2000 years ago. But to truly have a healthy digestive system, it is not enough to reduce bloating or digest fat better. It is also necessary to ensure the balance of the entire world of microorganisms living inside our gut. And this is where rosemary stands out. While many people think of probiotics or expensive supplements, this familiar herb actually has properties that nourish beneficial bacteria while suppressing harmful ones. Rosemary acts as a prebiotic, providing food for beneficial bacteria in the gut, helping them thrive and form a natural barrier to protect health. At the same time, thanks to its antibacterial and antifungal ability, rosemary prevents the growth of harmful bacteria and yeast that cause imbalances, thereby maintaining gut microbiota stability. The result is not only smoother digestion but also overall health improvement, because science now shows that the gut is closely linked to immunity and the brain. When the gut is balanced, the body is less inflamed, the mood is lighter, and overall health improves. That is why adding rosemary to your diet not only enhances flavor but also becomes a long-term strategy to sustain foundational health from within. And if you are curious how this affects memory, concentration, and mood, keep watching, because we are about to explore rosemary's secret for the brain. Once we understand that rosemary can nurture the gut microbiome and indirectly influence the whole body, it is not surprising that scientists discovered its close link to brain health. In fact, this is not new, because since ancient Greece, students wore rosemary wreaths before exams to boost memory and focus. Modern science now explains this tradition with studies proving that compounds in rosemary can improve cerebral circulation, bringing more oxygen and nutrients to brain cells, while reducing inflammation and oxidative stress that contribute to memory decline and neurodegeneration. This means that when you use rosemary regularly, you help protect your brain from silent damage accumulating over time, reducing the risk of age-related memory loss and even serious diseases like Alzheimer's or Parkinson's. In addition, rosemary is noted for improving mood, reducing anxiety and fatigue, thanks to its regulatory effects on the central nervous system and the gut-brain balance we mentioned earlier. In other words, a small sprig of rosemary connects the stomach to the brain, the digestive system to our emotions, creating a synergistic effect that makes body and mind sharper, clearer, and more energetic. So do not underestimate adding rosemary to meals or enjoying a cup of rosemary tea daily, as it may be the secret to keeping your mind sharp. And in the next part, I will reveal another benefit that anyone concerned with diabetes or blood sugar issues should pay attention to. If rosemary's impact on memory and mood amazes many, what it can do for blood sugar control is even more surprising. With more people facing pre-diabetes or type 2 diabetes, finding a natural supportive solution is crucial, and rosemary emerges as a reliable ally. Research shows that compounds in rosemary can improve insulin sensitivity, meaning the hormone insulin from the pancreas works more effectively, moving glucose from the blood into cells faster instead of lingering in the bloodstream. This is especially important because insulin resistance is the root cause of persistently high blood sugar and long-term damage to the heart, kidneys, eyes, and nerves. When insulin sensitivity improves, muscles and tissues absorb more energy, reducing fatigue and stabilizing daily energy levels. Alongside this, Rosemary's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties help reduce chronic inflammation often associated with metabolic syndrome and diabetes. This means you not only control blood sugar better but also reduce complication risk. Even maintaining the habit of drinking rosemary tea or adding rosemary to meals daily can become a small but solid step in a long-term diabetes prevention strategy. Once you understand this power, you will see rosemary not just as a spice but as a true tool for metabolic balance. And in the next part, I will share rosemary's other miraculous ability to relieve joint and muscle pain, a practical benefit for those living with arthritis or degeneration. After seeing rosemary's role in supporting blood sugar balance, let us now explore another equally important benefit, reducing pain and inflammation in joints and muscles. For those facing arthritis, joint degeneration, or chronic muscle pain, seeking a safe, natural solution is a constant desire. And rosemary has been shown to provide significant support. Anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds in rosemary work not only from within when consumed as tea or food spice, but also externally when applied as essential oil or balm. In fact, several studies show that applying rosemary essential oil to inflamed joints or tense muscles can significantly reduce pain and improve mobility. This works in two ways, reducing the inflammatory response that causes swelling and pain while boosting blood flow to injured areas to speed recovery. What is special is that this benefit is not limited to the elderly, but even those who exercise intensely, play sports, or do heavy labor can use it to reduce muscle tension and recover from injuries. Combining regular rosemary tea drinking and topical essential oil application can become a dual solution to maintain joint flexibility, muscle strength, and reduce reliance on painkillers with their many side effects. In short, rosemary offers a comprehensive approach to living healthier, with less pain and more activity each day. And in the next part, we will see why this small plant is also considered a natural shield for the immune system, helping the body fight bacteria, viruses, and fungi. If rosemary's pain-relieving and anti-inflammatory power makes it a trusted ally for joints and muscles, another aspect elevates it further, its role as a natural shield for the immune system. Every day, our body faces millions of harmful agents from bacteria and viruses to mold, and the immune system is the protective force that keeps them out. Rosemary, with its strong antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties, has long been used as a herb to reduce infection risk. Compounds in rosemary inhibit the growth of many pathogenic microbes while enabling immune cells to function more effectively. This not only helps prevent colds, respiratory infections, or skin conditions, but also keeps the immune system balanced, avoiding excessive reactions, causing chronic inflammation while not weakening enough to let pathogens in. Additionally, with its rich antioxidants, rosemary helps protect immune cells from free radical damage, extending their lifespan and performance, in fact, even in the food industry. Rosemary is used as a natural preservative thanks to its ability to prevent bacterial and mold growth in foods, further proving its protective power for human health. Adding rosemary to your daily diet or enjoying rosemary tea not only strengthens the body from within but also fortifies the protective barrier against pathogens. And in the next part, we will dive into one vital organ. Rosemary strongly supports the liver, the powerhouse of detoxification and metabolism. After seeing rosemary's role as a shield for the immune system, we cannot overlook its wonderful effect on the liver, the central organ for detoxification and sustaining life. The liver is like the body's giant processing plant, handling substances from food, medicines to environmental toxins daily. When the liver is overloaded, risks of fatty liver, hepatitis, or even cirrhosis arise. This is when rosemary proves its value. Antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds in rosemary protect liver cells from damage caused by free radicals and toxins. Research also shows rosemary can reduce fat accumulation in the liver, helping prevent and improve fatty liver, increasingly common in those with high-fat diets and sedentary lifestyles. At the same time, rosemary supports liver cell regeneration, meaning after damage from alcohol, drugs, or other fat, the liver has a better chance of recovery with rosemary's nutrients. Adding rosemary to daily meals or drinking rosemary tea can be seen as a gentle yet steady way to ease liver burden, enhancing its efficiency in filtering blood, metabolizing nutrients, and eliminating toxins. For anyone with elevated liver enzymes or concerned about liver health, choosing a natural solution like rosemary is a wise approach. And in the next part, we will continue to discover what other surprising benefits this small herb can bring to skin and hair. Two direct reflections of health and age. After understanding the precious compounds that give rosemary its power, the next step is to explore the diverse ways to incorporate this plant into daily life. Rosemary can be used in many forms depending on the purpose, from the simplest use of fresh or dried leaves as a spice for grilled dishes, stews, or soups to brewing tea or decoction. A warm cup of rosemary tea not only provides a pleasant aroma but also delivers active compounds that support circulation, digestion, and inflammation reduction. In addition, rosemary is processed into capsules, dried powder, or tinctures for those who want to use it as a convenient, storable dietary supplement. In the field of beauty care, rosemary essential oil is widely used to massage the scalp to stimulate hair growth, diluted with carrier oil to apply on acne-prone or inflamed skin, and even added to bath water for relaxation. Meanwhile, the cosmetic industry has developed many products containing rosemary extract, such as shampoos, creams, and cleansers to take advantage of its natural antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Rosemary also appears in aromatherapy and mental well-being, where it is used in diffusers, scented candles, or baths to uplift the spirit, reduce stress, and improve mood. This versatility makes rosemary both practical and abundant, allowing everyone to easily find the most suitable method for themselves. Whether it is a small sprig in a meal, a morning cup of tea, or a bottle of essential oil in the corner of a room, rosemary can silently contribute to protecting and enhancing health. And in the next part, we will discuss important precautions and potential risks to ensure rosemary is used safely and effectively. With all the wonderful benefits rosemary brings, from circulation, digestion, brain, immunity, liver, skin, and hair to even eyesight, using it correctly and safely becomes even more important. Like any other herb, so rosemary is not completely harmless if overused. Drinking too much rosemary tea, more than 2 cups a day, may cause bloating, nausea, or even vomiting in some people. Its bile-stimulating property, beneficial for digestion, can become a risk if you have gallstones, as it may cause stones to move and block ducts dangerously. Furthermore, since rosemary can thin the blood and reduce clotting, those with bleeding disorders or on anticoagulants must be cautious, as the risk of hemorrhage can increase. Pregnant and breastfeeding women are also advised to avoid it because there is not enough safety data. Rosemary can also interact with certain medications such as antihypertensives, diuretics, or diabetes drugs, potentially amplifying their effects and causing unwanted reactions. Therefore, the wisest step before using rosemary in large doses or in extract or supplement form is to consult a doctor for proper guidance. Now, the key point to remember is that rosemary is not an instant miracle, but a companion when used at the right time, in the right way, and in the right dose. It can become the bridge between small daily habits and a strong, sustainable foundation of health. So if you find this information helpful and want to continue discovering more natural secrets to care for your body and mind, Hit follow today so you don't miss valuable insights in the upcoming videos.